Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I share about my farming journey. So this is one of the useful thing as a farmer you should have. For the past few days it was flooding. I lost some pipe connection from the river which I use. So now I'm just using this machine to take water from my other water source to my farm. This thing is really useful. Like I as a farmer, by the time I was starting, I used to tell myself that I will have to own this machine. So this is just a small machine which I have. Here is where you have. Here is where I pop fuel, and the other thing which you should do, because me myself I just don't really use this as a daily use thing. You have to drain fuel if you are leaving it for a while, because like it might there's some particles, it might rust, and then there might be some particles. And then the other thing is that after use, drain out every water, just because if you don't, here is the valve. It's really tight. Yeah, here's the valve. You drain out every water here, because if you leave it with water, it will rust. So usually I use it early in the morning or late afternoon, because I don't think this engine is really that big. So it just came in handy. The other thing, don't really fight when you are turning this machine on. Maybe mine, because I don't really use it. I only use it in case of emergency. Like last year, I only switched this machine on once, and I bought it in 2024. Yeah, in 2024 around April, where I got the government finance. They only gave me 14,000. It was a voucher from the government, so I it was just a voucher where I was not able to buy what I want. So they just sent me to a store and then go and choose anything which I want. Then I went for this, and then other fertilizers and chemicals. Yeah, and other things which I really needed. Ne? So the thing is that you don't have to fight with it. Just make sure that the machine is on. You put it on, and then these are the choke. If the machine is really struggling, then I just let me just switch it on. I just put this thing on, and then these are, what is it called? This is just a lever for pressure. If it's there, where it's showing, is it showing? If it's I'm failing to focus. Okay, yeah, now we are winning. So here it's slow, here it's faster. So it only increase the pumping speed. So if I take this lever side this side, it means the machine will be faster, will be pumping faster, and then the even you will hear that the pressure is now there. So I think this machine can pump 30,000 liters in few minutes. I think it's written somewhere in few minutes. So what I do, I usually use it at slow, because sometimes I don't really need that crazy pressure, and then my dam might just run out of water fast. So some water might just go into wastage, because it's underground water. It might run out, but if it's here where it's low, there we are winning. So let me just switch it on. Let me just slow the pressure. Let me just switch it on now. Now. It's so simple. I think even with just one, I can be able to. Now I just see. Here's that thing which I was talking about. So yeah, this is it. The machine is pumping. So simple.